Hi and welcome. Today we're looking at the TOOBUR Explorer smartwatch. This works with, it has Alexa built in, and it works with a very fit app. So this is what you get. You get the manual, user manual with all the information required, show you how to charge it and everything. You get the watch, the smartwatch itself, and it comes in black, kind of like it's gray more. This metallic look. I think it's also with plastic, but you have to say it looks really nice. And then you have only one button that also rotates, and the menu goes, and when you go through the menu. But I really like the strap on it. It's very comfortable and very light. The whole watch is light as well. It probably has like 100 grams, something, even less. On the back you have the sensors. That's the charging port. Yeah, I've already configured it, so let's just turn it on while yeah, that's it. Very fast to turn on. So what else we have? We have the charging cable, which has these two pins, USB-A, and then this goes on the back like that. Yeah, and it's charging. So that's the charging cable. Nothing else in the box. We do get the spare material 22 mil strap, which you could use. I think that's a nice thing to add, especially when you think of how inexpensive it is. Yeah, so let's just put this away. Let's leave this out, and let's have a quick look at the smartwatch. See how it looks like on my hand. I have big wrists, and I do like how it looks like on my hand. So you see, if I go up to here, that will be comfortable for me. You still have 3 left if you have a bigger wrist than me. So yeah, that goes like that. You see, still flexible, moves around. So when you press it, obviously it's going to show the clock, the time. That's the screen that I've selected. You can choose something else. You have a variety of choices. Yeah, and you can add more from the Very Fit app. What I like about it is, like, some don't have this option where you rotate and it goes through the menu. So that's where you have your notifications. That's a few options. You can adjust the brightness, and I guess if you rotate on this, maybe no. That's very strange. How do you adjust it? I guess every time you click on it, it just increases with 20%. That's to wake up when you do this. The do not disturb mode on, flashlight, and then you have some clock settings in here. You set an alarm. As you can see, it shows 85%, but you can turn on the saving mode, and that's to connect the watch with the Verify app. You also have an option to remove water from the watch if you go swimming. That takes you to the watch faces. You can apply a theme, and you could make it to look slightly different. I prefer this one. And then when you are in the menu, you can use this rotating wheel to go through all the options that you have. And then you have some settings as well, which I've showed you earlier. Display, screen brightness, screen on time. You can set the desired time. Raise to wake. Do not disturb mode, battery level, and then in general you just have power off and restart. About and help. Yeah, so world clock, you can just select different world clocks. Timer, so you can set like 60 minutes. It's quite useful, I do like that. Stopwatch, boom, and you start doing some activities. It's also very responsive, as you can see. There's no lag at all. Alarm, you can set yourself an alarm. Find phone, your phone will ring. Camera control, so you can actually control the camera to take a photo of your phone. Obviously you have to allow it in the app. Music, this will control your music off your phone if you're using a music app. Cycle tracking, event reminder, that's quite useful. You can create events. Weather, so you can see that as well. Breathe exercises, which is quite useful. Sleep, you will measure your sleep if you wear the watch while you're sleeping. Stress level, so you're just gonna measure your stress levels. Let's see how stressed I am. Okay, so it says 68, which is medium. Okay, what else? SpO2, heart rate, workout records, they'll be registered in there. Workouts, so these are the workouts you have: outdoor run, outdoor walk, indoor walk, hiking, outdoor cycle, indoor cycle, cricket, pool swim, open water swim, yoga, Pilates, dance, rowers, you can use a rowing machine, elliptical, workout, functional strength training, HIIT, core training, and cool down. Then you have your Alexa integration. Phone, you can access your phone contacts, and then you see your activities in here, how many steps you've done, and all the information that you will be requiring to see. So yeah, that's the review, guys. This is how it looks like, and I think it's a really basic smartwatch. The battery probably lasts you about 2-3 days, depends of how you use it. And yeah, you can control a lot more from the app, like I will show you at the end of the video. But thank you for watching, guys. So the app, you can install it from the Google Play or the App Store for iOS, and it's called Very Fit. You can log in if you have already an account, or you can just start to use. It's going to ask you to agree to the privacy policy. It's going to ask you to allow the device location. So what I normally do, I just click while using the app. It's going to ask you to verify, to find, connect, and determine relative position of nearby devices. That's to find the watch, the smartwatch. So you're going to say allow. It's going to look for it and immediately found it. If it doesn't, what you could do, you can tap on the barcode scan, and you will just scan the device, the barcode I've showed you previously. But I'm going to just click on it because you already found it. And now it's just saying it's going to pair. Let's see what's on the device. Okay, so the pairing didn't work. So I'm going to try and say cancel, and I'm going to use the scan a device. So I'm going to go ahead and scan the barcode you have to allow it, and that's it. It's trying again. Let's see. Okay guys, so it worked. And then you click pair again and done. Then the next step is to select your country, fill in information about yourself. Then you have to put information about your region, an email address for the account, and set a password. At the next step, you have to verify your account. They'll send you an email, a code via email. Then you have to set a nickname and an avatar. You can set up to use Alexa if you have one. If not, you can just skip. I will skip. Okay, on the next step, they will ask you to allow phone call logs. It's up to you if you want to allow them or not. If you don't, you won't receive call notifications. And also to access your contacts. Otherwise, you won't display who is calling. Also to manage calls, because you want to answer calls from the watch. On the next step, you have to turn system notification, and then you get the list of what apps you want to allow to receive notifications from. Enable or disable as you please. Okay guys, so let me show you. So you get this Explorer, welcome to use. You set your goals. For example, it's 10,000 steps. Wait for me, if I get 100 I'll be happy. Steps 10,000 is fine. Message notifications, that's where you select to allow notifications. So I've turned off all of this. Not really sure what it needs from here in order to allow notifications, but until I figure out, I'll just leave it like that. So I won't need any notifications for now because I don't really understand. Call alert, music control, if you want to control your music. You need something from here, but I just don't know exactly what. It's a bit unusual, this. Anyway, I don't need music control for now. Alexa, I don't want to log in. And this is where you set your, if you want to use centimeters or you want to use feet. I'm happy with this. Might change this to miles. And then, you know, when the week starts, what kind of clock system you want to use. Then you get this notification from the app. I will let you read it for yourself. I'm gonna just close that. I'm gonna skip this. That's what you see first. Health data, so you just see your steps, sports, sleep, heart rate, calories, and other stuff. Sleep habits, what you have achieved. Exercises in here. Outdoor, indoor, walk, hiking, outdoor cycle, yoga, and more. The device itself, this is where you see the battery. If it's connected to Bluetooth, it looks like it has sort of an update or battery life instructions. That's where you can disable the continuous heart rate because that consumes the battery. Device updates, if you want to update the device, you will find a new version in there. You can also restart it from there. Notifications, alarm clock, these are the face watches. I kind of like this one, I've seen it, so we'll install that one. And many face watch is in there. Calls enable, health tracking, settings, so all these are enabled, disabled, so you can enable them as you please. event reminder, more settings, do not disturb, intelligent exercise recognition, even find my phone, music control, weather push, word clock, tiles widgets. So this is where you can modify what you see. At the moment all are available, so I might remove Alexa because I'm not using it. Widgets, these are all the widgets. Can you add more? Looks like you can. You have plenty of things to add from here, from the list. I'll cancel this for now. So that's pretty much all it is. That's my profile in there, so I'm not gonna go in there. But yeah, that's the smartwatch, the Explorer smartwatch. I think it gives you a lot of things for such an inexpensive device, but that's up to you to decide if it's useful for you or not. Thank you for watching.